How does the rope around?
If nothing, yeah, if nothing under the ground goes on it.
Well, what if we used this guy and then we tied rope to these ends and then we pulled it to get it tight? And then we could tie more rope around here so that we can all carry it.
But yeah, but we all don't need, right?
No,
Just if we need to.
Do we have to stay this far away from it?
yeah.
Yeah, you can't go and touch the
Yeah,
rope.
we can't
That's-
go in it.
But like you couldn't hold on to my shirt and I couldn't lean over.
Is that a phantom rule?
Is it? Yeah.
We have to stay outside.
Because you're not,
Oh,
You just
okay.
can't step it.
so like even hovering over it, you can't do that?
You'll find out.
Where's Nicole? You can just like.
One question I have just as a concern, when we go to dump it, how do we do that?
We're gonna rope width, so like you're thinking we would just hold it by one rope.
And
And then we take another rope to last it.
Yeah,
or put
and
it
then
around the
pull,
bottom
and
to
it'll be
pull
like a
it
bucket.
So it would.
So the spirit of the instructions were to stay, let's say that was an 8-foot circle, it's asking you to remain 8 feet away from that bucket as you transport it.
Oh, okay.
So you're trying to stay as far away from it as you still can, in the spirit of the rule.
Right.
So we want to be like, try and get her rope.
Yeah, you know what I mean? And have like 4 people do that, and then you all pull it tight, so it's being pulled different directions, but it's gonna stay there. Does that make sense?
So how are we gonna tie it around it?
We
Or
don't
you
tie
make
it
one of
around.
those split knots where you can
That's, I was
tie
thinking
it.
that too, that's a really good idea.
Like crisscross, so it's like a knot like from this way. You know? Put yours down a little bit.
See, and I think we should do the black thing around it.
I agree.
And then one person goes there.
So what tools do you guys have to start figuring out agreements? I.e. consensus.
Thumbs up if you want to